Hi everyone, today I am going to introduce you to database management system. I will be taking you through very basic definitions and their meanings. Data is the word that we very commonly hear in our daily life, but we never tried to understand what it is. Data is a collection of raw fact, where fact as it says it is not changed over a period of time. The data can be collection of numbers, alphabets, words, even images, videos, etc. For example, as shown here, students' marks data consists of the facts like student number, student name, marks in first subject, marks in second and marks in third. Not only this, if you want to store student information, it can be student number, name, mobile number, etc. Information as such do not exist. Information is created or generated from data. That is, information is processed data. The information generation depends on the user requirements. The purpose of generating information is to take decisions. Same data is processed in number of ways to generate different information depending on decision makers' requirements. For example, the students' marks data can be processed to get totals that will help in finding the top scorer, and ranks help the students to assess their position with their friends in the class. The question, why do we need information when we have data, is a big question. The reason for this is data is raw, that is unprocessed or ungrouped without specific meaning or understanding. The other reason being the data is a fact that do not change over a period of time, but the information generated changes as the user requirements change. Information can be generated in different forms depending on the decision maker's understanding level, like a single number or table or graph, etc. Database is the place where the data is stored on the secondary storage device, that is hard disk. It is a collection of interrelated data or tables. The word interrelated says that the data will be of same domain or group. That is, if there is a college database, it consists of only students, lecturers, classes, subjects data only. The data DBMS stands for Database Management System. It is the software that manages database and also acts as interface between user and database. That is, the user will be able to access the data only through DBMS interface. It performs all tasks like storing data, retrieving data using queries given by WES, providing all security measures to protect data, providing the facility of backup and restore, which can be used in case of any failure of database, and also provide some built-in mechanisms where the database can be recovered if any failure occurs. There are different database models available in the market. The first database model developed was hierarchical data model and then network model, but these two databases are not so user-friendly and they are very complicated to use. In 1970, EF-COD has proposed a new model. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Model, which is very user-friendly. It supports only one language to work with data, and it is SQL. Currently there are different technologies developed like NoSQL databases and in-memory databases that are used to deal with unstructured data of the present scenario. I hope you have understood the basic definitions of data, information, database, DBMS and other database models. DBMS is one technology that will never be outdated, as data is part and parcel of our life.